Hello and welcome to IT Study Point. I am Ram Prakash and I am now going to start our today's HTML program in which we will study HTML lists. As we know that the HTML is a languages for making website pages. So is there any problem? Because I am getting an error that YouTube is not receiving any enough videos. Okay, so we are now waiting for the all students who can join within 5 minutes. So in between we will now going to discuss the last class what we have covered. In the last class we have started the same list in HTML, but there was some problem due to which I was unable to capture that one and that was not live. So the same program we are now same program and the same part of that HTML we are now going to continue from here. So now we are going to start the chapters because it's enough time to wait. So now as these are the things we have already discussed in previous classes. So if you have missed, then you should join or you should take the reference of our old videos which is listed in HTML part 1, 2 or 3, so you can understand better of this language. So now today we are now going to study about the lists. What are the lists or list? Actually it is a list are the number of related items or names written in a sequence. Sequence means order. Either it is written with the numbers or either it is written with the bulleted. Like here I am showing you what is the list. See, if you are writing apple, bananas, grapes. If order is not necessary here, then we can make like this. This is also called a list. So these lists are made by using unordered, means the order is not necessary to write here. If the order is necessary, then we put in first rank of a particular student name Ramesh, second. If the Ramesh is the first position, Suresh comes in the second position and the Aman come into the third position. If the position matters, then it looks like this. See, so this is a ordered list. This and this is and the yellow background is unordered. This is unordered list, and this which background is red color is ordered list. Unordered list means where the order does not have any consequences or any matters. So unordered list or bulleted list, it is also called a bulleted list, so that we can also call it as bulleted list, are used when the item in a list are not required. Item in a list are not required, it means that not required in a sequence or order. Some of the rules there are written in the unordered lists, that is, if we are now going to write or going to create any unordered list, then it would be enclosed within UL. UL denotes unordered list. So I am now going to start the unordered lists. How we as we have already discussed that the sequence does not matter. Sequence does not matter. Then how we will start or will write? It is saying that the rules is saying that the first of all we have to start with it UL. UL means unordered list, and it is followed by the LI, that is called list items. This is the list items. So how many lists you want to create, you have to enclose with the LI. And see, this UL is a container tag, and this is empty tags. This is empty tag. So container tag, it means that we have to use it with on and off tag like this. Then some items will go here, then we must close this one. But this LI is an empty list. Empty list means only on tag or only the opening tag will be there. So there is no need to specify closing tag for LI. So how? And the third one, its attributes. There are some attributes of its. So attributes always defined by the type, because type attributes the, let me write here, the attributes of ul tag is type. So type has three different values. Type has three different values, and each value I will show you in the program how to write that one. So first one is disk bullet. Disk bullet is the default. Let me write first disk square and circle, square and circle. So these three are the type. So disk is a default. This one is a default. If you don't write anything in UL as an attribute, then it will default come. Default. So if you don't write, it will take default. So now come to the example or syntax. Syntax, how it will go. So you have to write UL, then let me wait next page, and then have to write LI, the list item, how many you want to add. You have to add here li, and how many it will go. It depends upon the list. So at last we have to close the ul. As you know that the attribute of any tag will write in closing the within the angle bracket of the starting tag. So we are now adding the type attribute, which is the attribute of unordered list. So type here will go disk square or circle here. So any of three you can use. So this is the syntax of the unordered list. Now see, we are now going to write a program. So as you know that we start writing the program, HTML program, into the notepad or WordPad. So I am using notepad. So I am opening the notepad by writing notepad here. See. So now from here I will start writing. So as you know that this is the basic tag or parent tag of HTML, then head, then title, then the title is lists, and that is unordered lists. title end, head end, body will start, and I am now writing here bg color equal to sky blue, and text color is equal to yellow, yellow. So now I am going to include these all lists, unordered lists definition what we have created, and then I'll show you how I will change. So I have just added this one, so you have to be, so see h1 I am, and align is equal to center list h1 close hr. I'm putting the hr here because want to add one line unordered list. I want to put it in bold, so it will appear in bold. The tags which I am using here has already been discussed during the online class. So if you have any confusion or you don't know about the tags, then you will have to take the references of the videos which has already been uploaded of the previous classes videos. So these all are, you have to give the spaces because it treated as the tag and it will not be printed, and as an error it will be displayed over there. So you have to put the space here. Okay, so now see here I have to put, now here I am going to create the actual list. So I am putting a line here, horizontal line, and then now starting a, so let me create one line from here so that you can understand. This is a comment, this is the way to write the comment. Actual unordered list starts from here. So see, name of fruit h2, name of fruits h2. Now here I am going to start unordered list, li apple, li banana, li grapes, li apple banana grapes guava, at the end of the, now I am putting the line hr again, So now close the body. Now close the HTML. To save, see, this is a little bit a longer program, so you will have to take care from here only. See, we have written here, you have to see. So now save the program, save all files, go to the all files, list in HTML, unordered list dot html, and have to save into save. Now go to the location where I have saved it into the desktop. Go to the online HTML pages and see, it is